In 2026, a lot of business have been fighting a similar enemy that is eating deep into their profits, and that is what kills most of them business, and they keep on struggling to survive or to keep the business standing. This video I'm going to be showing you reason why most business are moving into solar. Here today I'll be mentioning 5 reasons why most business people are moving into solar. Number 1 reason is fuel is destroying profits. If you are spending up to 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira daily on your business, imagine you calculate that money, multiply it in 12 months, you see that money is enough for paying your profit. But now you are not sharing that profit with generator of fuel. Yes, most of the business people move in solar because they are going to save more money. 2, generator stress. When generators start having that problem, most business people try to avoid those generators will stop, and when customers come, we start having bills. So most business people try to avoid generators because of stress. Moving into solar will ease them a little bit. That's why most people went into solar. 3, customer love stable light. Mostly up to no time when there's solar, customer love when they see lights on. Instead of, imagine a customer came into a shop and saw there's light already there. That's how solar works. But if it's generator, you have to go and on it. So if a customer see a shop is dark in the first place, they try to avoid those shops and move to the shop they see light. So having solar will make their shop have light at almost every time without owning gen. This is one of the reasons why most people are moving into solar. 4, solar is becoming much cheaper. Solar is becoming much cheaper. Before, it was a rich using solar, it was more about luxurious use, but now people are now using it for other business purposes, and they try to drop the price. Everybody could be able to afford it. This is one reason most people move into solar, just because it's cheap and it will also save them money. Maybe in the future further it will even become much cheaper than now. The 5th reason is that it will save them money. Like many business people have discovered solar and save them money in a long run, not in a short term. If they could invest high on solar, it will actually save them money. This is one reason businesses are now moving into solar, to save them money and to fight the increase of fuel in other parts of the world. So if you watch any other videos, why most people are moving into solar, the question is not why are they switching to solar, but how could they survive in fuel, because fuel will really drain them of their money and time and will allow them to lose customers. If you want more of this the same video on electricity bills and profits in solar and other things, please you can like the video. Thank you.